everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 763 of trying a new makeup product every day. I am so beyond excited to finally be trying this product out. So this is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, but I got the adorable Netflix To All the Boys I've Loved Before little limited edition collection, and I have been dying to try out this lip mask for so long, but it turns out they don't sell Laneige at Ulta, and Ulta is where I always place my makeup orders. So one day I happened to be meeting my family at the Cheesecake Factory, probably like my favorite restaurant, and I got there before the rest of my family, and it was attached to a mall, so I just was walking around and they had a Sephora, which of course I had to go into, and I asked someone where the Laneige lip masks were, and right as I said that, I looked next to me and I saw the To All the Boys I Loved Before. That's a Netflix original movie. They had a whole display of the products that they did in collab. And I was like, oh, this is what I'm looking for. And she's like, oh yeah, that's the limited edition one with the mint chocolate chip flavor and the sweet candy flavor. And then she told me that they had the other flavors, but these flavors sounded so good to me. And this kit here cost $24, or if you get the full-size regular Laneige lip sleeping mask, it's $20. So I figured this was a pretty good deal, and you get this really cute carrying case. But really, I was just sold on the two flavors because those are probably like the two flavors that I would be the most drawn to. And I have not seen the To All the Boys I've Loved Before second movie on Netflix, but I saw the first one and I thought it was so cute and so good. If you've seen the second one, let me know in the comments down below if you would recommend it, if you think I should watch it. But yeah, it was kind of unexpected that I was going to purchase this, but I'm so excited that I did. And then I'm finally trying these out because for a dry lip gal like me, it's really crazy that I haven't tried these out yet. And like even right now, my lips are so dry and I drink so much water. I use so many different great lip products, but I actually don't have a lip overnight mask, but now I do. And it just seems like no matter what I'm doing, my lips are still so uncomfortably dry. Like even smiling right now feels uncomfortable. Like my lips are too dry to smile. What a sad moment. But so, I'm just so excited. Let's check these out. Packaging is so cute. These, I believe, are mini because it says that the whole like little combo set here has a retail value of $26. And ooh, oh my gosh. This smells just like candy. This is the sweet candy one. And it's giving me like sensory memories. And I know this smell exactly. I just need it to come to me. Oh my gosh. I smell it and I can like taste the candy, but I cannot remember what it is. It's like a gummy fruit type of candy. I've literally been sitting here for like a minute sniffing this, trying to figure out what it is. So if you can think of the candy, let me know in the comments down below. This is really going to bother me. I'm sure as soon as I stop filming, I'm gonna figure out what candy it is. But I kind of feel like it's like, I don't think this is exactly what I'm thinking of, but very close. The Sour Patch watermelon gummies, like the sour ones, which of course are so delicious. So that one smells amazing. And then the mint choco, which is probably my favorite ice cream flavor. This smells exactly like the most delicious mint chocolate chip ice cream. Okay, this is the one I need to put on my lips right now. So, ooh, yeah, it looks like a balm, but it's a little bit softer, kind of like in between a balm and a gel texture. Ooh, and it feels cooling on my lips. Oh, so relieving. Wow. This feels so nice. I'm just enjoying the relief and the moisture coming to my lips that were basically a desert on my face. Is that a cute metaphor? But wow. So what you're supposed to do is apply this at night, sleep in it, and then take it off the next morning. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to put in the description down below my wear test results of how my lips felt when I woke up, just how this lasted, the whole experience. But I just love this. I've heard other people say this too. Like, love it as just a beautiful lip gloss because it's very enhancing to the lips. It's shiny, but it really smoothed out my lips where it's almost like a plumping effect, but not like a tingly lip plumper at all, but it's just so hydrating that it smoothed and plumped my lips immediately. And I feel like this is a great size, and I get 2 of them for $24, and I get to change up the flavors. So I think that this is a great little bundle pack. When I was looking on the Sephora website, it was available there, which I will have linked down below. It's probably going to sell pretty quickly, but if this seems like a combo set that you would want to get, definitely check it out. I highly recommend it, especially if you're like me and you've been wanting to try out the Laneige lip sleeping masks, which I'm so happy that I have finally tried these out. If this becomes my life changer, like solved my dry lip problems, I'm going to be very happy and excited about that, but I'm also going to be mad at myself for waiting so long to finally try out the product that everyone was talking about, everyone was hyping up. But at least now I have finally have it in my possession on my lips, and I'm so happy. So if you've tried out the Laneige lip sleeping masks, I would love to hear your thoughts on them in the comments down below. I also don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, Laneige, but it's really fun for me to say, so I keep saying it that way. But even, like I was saying, just as wearing this as your lip balm, lip gloss, it's lasted really nicely throughout all of this talking, so I think it'll be a pretty nice long-lasting lip balm as well, which I love. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.